What is your name?
Nalam Manikanta, sir.
Which post you can apply?
5 fitter, sir.
5 fitter?
Yes, sir.
How many experience in India?
6 years, sir.
Abroad?
No, sir. They working in India, sir.
India. Okay, you know drawing?
Yes, sir. I know, sir. Drawing.
I give the drawing?
Yes, sir. Okay.
You tell me. Study first.
Okay, sir. Sir, this is the isometric drawing, sir.
Okay. Where is the drawing number, line number?
Sir, I can check here, sir. Downside, sir. Drawing number, line number here, writing, sir.
How many fittings in drawing?
Okay, we'll check 1, 2, 3. Sir, 3 elbows, sir.
How many inch?
How many inch? This one I hear, sir. One writing. 2 inch pipeline,
2
sir.
inch. The thickness how many?
6 inch schedule, sir.
Schedule? What schedule?
Schedule, standard schedule, sir.
Okay. Which material?
Material A106B, sir. This one carbon steel, sir.
Carbon steel, okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Where is the elevation?
Elevation, sir. Here, sir.
Coordination?
Here, right. And coordination also here, sir.
Okay. What is this?
This one also top side, sir. The coordination, sir.
The connecting also?
Connecting also, sir. Same line drawing and another sheet net sticking, sir.
Okay. Make the template. What is the downside?
Sir, this downside support, sir.
Which support?
The dummy support, sir. Right.
Okay. Okay. You know gasketing grinding?
Sir, I know, sir. Gasketing, sir.
Okay. You go outside.
Okay.
Give the practical.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir. Sir, my name is Nalam Manikanta, sir. I am the 26, sir. I work in the pipe fitter, sir.
Okay. Okay, grinding ready.
Okay, sir.
Come grinding.
Okay, na?